So in this video, you'll be learning how to enable USB debugging on the Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by opening the Settings app and ensuring that Developer Options has been enabled. To do that, scroll to the bottom of your Settings menu and tap on About Phone. Select Software Information and tap on the build number 7 times to start enabling developer options. You may be prompted to enter in your screen lock type, whether it's a PIN, password, or pattern. And once you've done that, developer mode will have been turned on. So now you can go back to the main settings menu, and when you scroll further down, you should see developer options. Tap on it. Then from here, you want to scroll through the developer options menu until you find USB debugging. So it should be listed right here. So to enable it, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle and then confirm that you want to allow USB debugging by tapping on OK. So now USB debugging has been enabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.